3, 2, 1.
KO!
What's up, YouTube? So basically I got my coils made. The soldering. Oh, I hate soldering. I hate that smoke. I gotta get a fan going here. But got all my coils made. Now I got all the wires connected. I'm gluing the coils down now. Temporary with this. I know this stuff ain't the best, but I have to hold them into place for now. So I could get some kind of epoxy going here. Without disturbing everything, you know. So I'm just working, letting the glue dry. I also used the Elmer's glue on the coils. As I started winding, I would add some glue. Once I had like 3 layers of wire, I'd add a little bit of glue. And then eventually I would keep doing that. Halfway through I added glue all the way around. Coils. So I got my coils on the disc. I got glue on there. Got my wires connected. And I'm going to show you a diagram so you know how to connect your wires if you ever do a 6-coil system like I'm doing here. Now I know these coils are kind of big, so I'm going to have 1-inch magnets, round magnets on the other disc, and that the fan motor is going to spin those magnets. I'm going to have this floating on top. I'm going to find a way to connect it on top to where I get the most power out. And I soldered all my wires together. That solder is over here. It's not the best, but it'll do. Then I got my 3 phases coming out. Here, there. Oh, there it is. One there. I got one right here. And my other one's right there. So, I'm going to be connecting these 3 to a rectifier. Now I'll show you the diagram. Zoom out a little bit here. Alright, so if you guys are building this, you just might want to pause so you connect all your wires together. And I'm going to take some photos of this too. Like maybe at the end, I'll have a bunch of photos. You could just pause it on the photo and see where all your wires get connected. Now where these 3 get connected here, this can also be used as a neutral, but I went without that option. So basically this wire comes out here, comes around, and goes to the center of this coil. Then the outer side of the coil comes out into a phase. So it's a really easy system. But I will leave some photos at the end of the video, okay? So I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to add more glue as the day goes on. Then I'm going to tap some holes in the center of these coils so I can I could trace those holes on another CD where to glue my magnets so they're in the most efficient place possible to be. So they're all hitting at the same time. I'm not an expert at doing coils, guys. You know, I try my best at the coils. This is my first batch of coils I ever did, and I think they came out okay. I had some mini ties that I tied them with, and the Elmer's glue I used to clear, you know, and it held the coils pretty much together. It was tricky getting it off the hose or the PVC in my winding when I winded it on the PVC. It was tricky getting it out because of the glue. So, you know, the fingernails came in real handy doing that. It's a time-consuming thing here. But I'm glad it's done. It took me a couple days to do this. I did 3 one day, 3 the next. A couple of my wires snapped. I had to unwind, take everything apart, and reset the coil winder and stuff. But I was able to get these coils. So that's basically it with the coils right now. That's where I'm at. Once this stuff dries and I'm able to move this around without these coils coming off, I'm going to drill my holes in the center so I have a center point for my magnets on another disc. And the motor's going to spin those magnets up real fast, so I have to use crazy glue on there. But anyway, I want to show you where I was at. I'm going to take some photos. Like I said, I'll take some photos of this diagram so you can use it in case you're going to build something like this. You know, there's not a lot of diagrams out there for a 6 coil. So you know, I'd go north, south, north, south, north, south. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, YouTube. One more thing. Kind of made a mistake here, so avoid this little mistake. I don't have any whiteout, otherwise I just white this out. Alright, so your outside coil is here where you left off from the winding, and you got your inside coil that comes out. And it's basically the same with all these. Thanks for watching. You guys, give me a thumbs up if you want. I don't know. It's up to you. Anyway, guys, I gotta get going. I gotta add more glue here and get this thing going so I can set everything up and get it running. And I'm gonna come out with another video once it's all together.